Hey B, are you hungry?
Yeah, what you
All right, just gonna do some sauteed chicken with carrots and peas. A little mashed potato. I'm just gonna season a little bit of olive oil. And these are tenderloins, Brandon. Chicken tenderloins. Little poultry seasoning, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, black pepper. You see the pan is hot. It's not hot yet. It's not sizzling. Medium high. Let's wait. While we wait, right here. So I'm steaming them, see? So I can bring them up here and have them steam, or bring them down here and boil them, and then drain them. So this one I'm gonna boil and drain. This one, look, learn how to cook. I'm just gonna steam it. Boiling water. That's on top. It's not touching, and I'm just steaming them.
Alright.
Retains the flavor a little bit better. No big deal. It just makes it easy. Honestly, if I forget, I won't burn them. You know me, I go and watch TV or something like that and I forget about it. Okay, it's sizzling a little bit. Guess what?
Huh.
I found this box of mashed potato, instant mashed potato. We need to get rid of it. It's been there for about a month. Okay, it's not bad, but but I don't want to use milk. I have chicken broth. Guess what? I'm not adding. I'm not gonna add any salt. You know why, B?
Why?
Because most instant mashed potato, they come with salt in it. So I'm just gonna add a little black pepper. That's it. Turn these babies on, getting a little color. Turn it once and that's it. That's it. Now we let it cook. Get the color on the other side, we're good. Now we wait one more time. It's cook, add, wait, turn, wait, cook, add, turn.
Anything else you want to say?
What I want to say is I'm going to prepare my flavor for my vegetables.
Oh.
Because I want to steam them, but I want a little flavor. So I'm going to get some butter. Just a little butter here. I'm going to throw them in the bowl. Let me do it for the carrots. Sure. This one for the peas. Add them here, right? A little bit of salt. A little bit of garlic powder. And now we use the heat of the vegetables to melt the butter. Look at that. Do you know what this is called?
No.
Ah, that's gold. That's browning. You see how nice, beautiful brown it is?
Oh, I just said that. I thought you were something crazy like.
No, look at that. Okay? And the chicken is cooked. Look at this. So it's all cooked, right? Bring it here. Let that rest. Now look at this.
What do you do for the rest of the broth?
It's called deglazing. So you deglaze the pan, and you actually are gonna make a sauce by deglazing the pan that goes in the chicken. We know what the chicken tastes like, but then if you want to enhance the taste, oh yeah, deglazing the pan, and guess what? I have cleaned it for you, since you're doing the cleaning, correct?
Yeah.
So look at that. That goes in there. Is it jumpy? So you have to stir. Mix. A mashed potato. Beautiful. With some chicken broth without milk. No milk needed. Butter makes everything better, Brandon.
God bless America.
God bless America. Yep. We wait. Now, carrots. That's done. This is done. That goes here. Let it drain. Peace. We got food done, Brandon. That was easy, correct? Fast, easy. And there we go. This is your lunch meal, Brandon. That's for you.
It's for me?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
But you know what?
What?
I can puree the hell out of this.
Puree that?
I can puree this.
Show me.
Yeah, show you?
Show
Okay.
me. I don't believe.
All right. Let's puree this. The juice.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna add some of that juice to the carrots. Needs a little more liquid. So what we're gonna do is use a liquid. It's already hot, just water.
Huh.
And add it to it. If you have vegetable broth, I have vegetable broth, but I have hot water available. and already have all kinds of flavors in there. It tells you, as it changing color, it tells you that I'm ready puree. Ready you go. And guess what? This is your best baby food. So I'm not only teaching you, Brandon, to feed me when I get really old and I can't swallow correctly, but also when you have a baby. See, your plate looks too beautiful. I need to match your beautiful plate with my beautiful plate. So this will be puree at the high level, okay? Okay. So we're gonna call it what?
Whatever you say, chef.
High level puree. I'm gonna puree the peas.
Do more butter?
More butter is the key of pureeing.
On the off chance I don't have butter though, what do I do?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise?
Mm-hmm.
You're sick.
Oh yeah. Need a fat something to make sure it breaks down. See how liquidy it is?
Yeah.
Because peas tend to be that liquidy. And that goes for everything. Everything that is this thin, I have a secret for you, Brandon. I got Thicket. This is a powder that thickens the food, and it does not add any flavor or changes the nutritional value of the food. It's very neutral. ¿Qué tú crees?
Huh?
¿Ya está? Mira. A beautiful sound. All right. 2 down, 1 to go.
See it.
The pollo. Chicken puree. So this is my portion. My puree portion. I got some water. Yeah, some liquid in there.
Oh no, Chicken Little, what happened?
It's been puree, baby. Does that look like a breast? So far, so good, correct?
I think it does look like a breast, yeah.
I know, huh? I want mine to have some nice grill mark. Browning seasoning sauce, okay? And a butcher string. Mine is barbecue.
Shoot, that's kind of crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Look at you. Are you a chef?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Some days I'm a good chef. Some days I'm not so good. But 99.9% of the time, I am the best chef there is. What do you think so far, Brandon?
It's pretty crazy, man. I'll be honest with you, yeah. Does it look like an ice cream cone? I love it. Take the chicken.
Look at this.
It tastes the same.
That's the way it should be.
That's kind of, it tastes the same. Like there's nothing.
Correct? But here you have to chew. Can you cut me a piece? Can you cut me a piece with your knife, sir?
Yeah.
See, all this work.
You gotta chew. All right, carrots. Wow. I think the carrots taste better that than here. For
You
some
know
reason.
why?
Why?
Because when you puree, you incorporate flavors. What did I add to the carrots? Remember, I add some of that gravy,
Yeah.
some of that chicken broth? Ooh, makes it that much better.
I might be eating your plate, dude.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Well, I mean, it throws me off. It literally tastes the same.
But the key is now, see how beautiful it looks?
Yeah.
So eye appeal is what every chef is looking for when they're presenting the food. So my purees, high level. This is a true puree.
Tooting your own horn a little bit.
Oh, of course, high level. Look at that. Grill marks came out of the barbecue. So if you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, please subscribe. That will help us continue. And it's a lot more. This is just the beginning. There is a lot more that we can do.
Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.
Ciao.